Hi, I'm Patty Chomis, and my company is ATEC Systems Group. I'm pleased to provide a brief explanation today on VPS, or Vapor Phase Soldering, for the SMTA, SMT terms, acronyms, and definitions podcast library. Vapor phase soldering uses a condensation vapor blanket to transfer energy. The vapor blanket is created by boiling a high-temperature medium or perfluoropolyether material, which is commonly referred to as galvan. The medium selected will have a specific boiling temperature, which can range anywhere from 200 degrees to 260 degrees C, and is selected to meet the desired melting temperature of the alloy used on the PCB. As PCBs are transferred into the vapor zone, the vapor condenses onto the circuit board to transfer energy evenly, regardless of density or mass. Whether the PCB has LED components, chips, or large complex components, they will all come up to temperature at the same time with very low delta T's without ever overheating. Some of the benefits of VPS include oxygen-free environment, superior joint integrity, operational efficiency of 60% or better over standard convection, zero potential for overheating, and simple and 100% repeatable and reliable process. So in simpler terms, to better understand VPS technology, let's use the analogy of an egg. An egg can be cooked in a variety of ways. Two methods described in soldering include vapor phase and convection reflow. So another example here. Method 1. For cooking an egg over a gas flame. The egg is broken into a skillet and the chef guesses how hot and how long to cook that egg. After many attempts, the chef makes the determination that the egg is cooked just right. This is similar to convection reflow. Method 2. An egg can be cooked in boiling water. Note, the boiling water is set at a certain temperature and is exactly the same regardless of how long that egg is cooked in it. The egg is then cooked very, very evenly. This would be referred to as vapor phase soldering. So I thank you today for your time and our brief explanation of vapor phase soldering.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.